Now, mukbang tayo ng durian. Mm. Mm. Harap. With Coke.
With Coke. Of course.
Of course. Itong like sa durian na po yan kasi maliit lang yung buto niya. Harap. Yummy. Ito pa. Ito pa. Paano ko ito ubusin? Ako lang yung isa nakain. Sarap. Grabe. Yummy. Super. This is my dinner.